Hello. We are Design Maker. Today, we've created a mini version of our popular character Choo-Choo Charles from our video series. We decided to make a mini version to recreate its actual movements. We attached wheels to make it movable and scaled down Choo-Choo Charles to fit on a train track. We thought you might be curious about how it would feel if Choo-Choo Charles were actually chasing after you. So, we made efforts to convey a realistic and similar feeling using 3D models and videos. We attached a small camera to a train and filmed it to give the impression that Choo-Choo Charles is chasing after you. In this video, we briefly showed the process of creating the mini Choo-Choo Charles. If you want to see more detailed videos, please watch our previous Choo-Choo Charles videos. Lastly, when finishing the assembly, be careful to attach the wheels without getting any adhesive on them. Otherwise, the wheels may not move properly. Here is the completed mini Choo-Choo Charles. In the video, you could see how Choo-Choo Charles was chasing after you. How did you feel? Did it feel realistic and similar to what you expected? If you enjoyed watching this video as well, we would appreciate your subscription and likes. Thank you.